BJ,
What, Mom?
rumwara ko inak makiparting.
You're going out again?
Di ba nagpakada nagtataking kan?
No, you didn't tell me you're going out.
Yawidang kan to ti makan.
I don't need food.
Alan akit nagpakada na lang arod king katatayin.
No.
Ala ni BJ.
You gotta stay home. It's late already.
Di ba intimbaga king katatay nga rumwara? Di ba BJ? Ala.
What are you gonna do over there?
BJ inlutuang kapay ti makan ijay. Ta imbaga nga rumwarak, di ba?
What time are you going home?
10 o'clock, kit isok curfew, di ba? Gawin na to 10 o'clock. Kuray na 10 o'clock, okay?
10? That's your curfew. Okay,